This is Book Beats. Y'all, as y'all can see, we're here with a CLA45 AMG. This bitch is crazy, bro. You know what I mean? Figured I'd get on here, do a little review. This is my mom's car, actually. Got this custom built, I believe, last year. So we had this thing for about a year now, you know. It's at about 4K miles. You know, y'all see the AMG on the floor mats right there. This shit is crazy. Like I said, this bitch is one of one. There's not another one out there like it. Fucking quote me on that shit, bruh. I promise you. With the seats like this is factory, my boy. We got this thing custom built, you know what I mean? This motherfucker is nice though. Like I said, it's one of one. Well, don't mind that, but you ain't never gonna find another one like it. Look at the seats. This thing is crazy though. This thing is for sure crazy. You know, I guess they do this with new cars because my car is like that too. They got those ones, regular brakes in the back, and then some big ass Burbos in the front. Y'all can't see, but it's a AMG on it with the drilled rotors. You know what I mean? I'll show you the motor in a second. See if y'all can see the caliper. Y'all can see it a little bit better right there. But you know what I mean? It's the little four-cylinder turbo. It is all-wheel drive. This thing is it's actually pretty quick too. I ain't gonna lie, it sounds crazy. But side pop the hood for y'all. Go ahead, give y'all a little start, a little rev too. Got y'all. Hell yeah, as y'all can see, it's a little four-cylinder turbo. And you can see the turbo right there, probably hot as hell. Motor, like I said, got about 4K miles on it. This thing actually get down. You know, you wouldn't think for a four-cylinder that this bitch get down, but this motherfucker move. I ain't gonna lie, but I will go ahead and give y'all a little start up. I was supposed to bring my other phone, but that bitch was dead. So we're going to make it do what it do with this one. I don't even know how the hell. There ain't no rocks or nothing, but gonna make it do what it do. And just like that, you improvise. Alright, y'all. Go ahead, give y'all a little start up. It's a warm start. It's not cold, it's warm. We make it do what it do. Well, that was a little warm start and a couple of revs. Go ahead and show y'all the inside. Go ahead and turn the lights on for y'all too. Get a walk through with the lights on, but you know. Oh, that's copyright. Turn that shit down. Alright, it should be good to just be there, but this is basically, you know, the interior of the AMG. Got the motherfucking lights, the roof that go all the way back. That roof is crazy, I ain't gonna lie. Like I said, the white and black guts, you ain't never gonna see one like this, bro. Ever. I don't get no fuck, bro. But no, this bitch is nice, you know what I mean? Got the little shits in there. Very comfortable car. There's not a lot of room in the back, I ain't gonna hold you. There is not a lot of room in the back at all. So, you know what I mean? If you about as tall as me, I'm 5'11", you know, you about over 5'11", it's gonna be a little, you know, it's gonna be a little crammed in the back, but I go ahead, give you a little walk through, turn the lights on. Hell yeah, like, a little walk through with the lights on. These lights is actually cool ass lights too. At nighttime they'll like fade out. I don't know if I can see it because the sun is out. But the lights are on. Lights, I love these lights, man. These lights are cool. This bitch is definitely nice. You know what I mean? Go ahead, give y'all a little POV drive. And yeah, show y'all what it's like driving this motherfucker, man. We got the little side skirts like that. There was a car that was in California. I'm in Indiana right now. But I put the clip. I was in California and I worked at Copart. And you can see it's damn near the same car, but there's a lot of differences. Like I said, this one is one of one, bro. You ain't never gonna find one like it, bro. One of one. And I'm gonna keep saying that. Y'all can clown me in the comments. I don't give no fucks, bro. But it's one of one. This bitch is nice. Alright, let me quit fucking around and get into the POV drive. That's what y'all really want to see. Alright, whatever, y'all. We in the car. Go ahead, give y'all a little POV drive of what it's like to drive this motherfucking man. See how loud it is, how quiet it is, you know what I mean? I'm gonna go ahead and put this bitch in Sport Plus. You know what I mean? Got to see it through. Y'all see Sport Plus. Sport Plus. Alright. Go ahead, let the windows down. Hopefully the wind ain't too much, you feel me? Popped a little bit. Oh, goddamn. This bitch is quick as hell, bro. God damn. Holy shit, I was not expecting that. I ain't gonna hold you. God damn, like, chill out, man. God damn. I hear them ceramic brakes. Man, damn, I ain't did a POV in so long. Yeah, I'm making this all one video. Yeah, this thing definitely do get up, I ain't gonna lie. Go ahead and roll these windows back up. I don't know why I rolled them down, to be honest. Nigga, and I'm still speeding. It don't even feel like I'm speeding and I'm speeding. What the fuck? Nah, this bitch, it's definitely nice though. Like I said, you know, y'all see the gauges. It's all digital, so it's kind of hard for y'all to see, I ain't gonna lie. It's all one screen right here. Nice steering wheel. I got the climate. I don't know, Mercedes just do it right with the luxury. You know what I mean? Try to make this bitch luxurious. You got cooled and heated AC. I said AC. You got cooled and heated seats. You know what I mean? Bitch is definitely nice. I don't know, bro. I don't like driving this bitch. I ain't gonna hold you. This motherfucker's a little scary. It's a little different being in a fucking damn near $100,000 car. I ain't gonna ass cap. I ain't gonna hold you. It ain't 100 grand, but you know, it's still an inexpensive ass car opposed to, you know, my little piece of shits. You feel me? I don't want to get active, bro. I ain't gonna hold you. Like I said, like, it's a little different, bro. Let's see. That's a dude. He ain't on that. Y'all see him back there. That nigga is scared. Damn. Got the Oppo. I thought my car was fast. Boy, this thing is fast as hell. I know my pops and my mom is probably watching this. I ain't going crazy, bro. Trust. I'm just driving. I'm just driving, bro. Y'all seen that gap, bro. I'm just driving. Yeah, see, if I wouldn't have did that, then I would have ended up back there because they got stopped at that light. I ain't gonna lie. back. You know, so we get the bypass. Yeah, we finna see. I ain't finna do nothing crazy, but like I said, I'm just reviewing the motherfucking car. This thing is fast, man. So definitely drives smooth though. I mean, it should. It only got 4K miles on it. Definitely a smooth driver. It's quick, bro. Nothing crazy. Finna wait a little bit. More. God damn, that's all. I ain't doing no more. God damn. This thing is definitely crazy. This thing is definitely crazy. Alright, y'all. We safely made it back to the garage. Mom and Dad, we good, bro. Relax. Ain't nothing wrong with the car. I promise. But yeah, look, we done made it. This bitch got the speakers. Hey, I ain't gonna lie. Alright, here's my take on the car, bro. I ain't gonna lie. One, the audio sucks, bro. I ain't gonna hold you. Like, this is like, I don't know what brand audio this is, bro. But like, my old SRT8 had better audio than this shit, bro. I ain't gonna hold you. Like, this audio is it's ass, bro. I ain't gonna hold you. And then that's number one complaint. I got two. I say I got two complaints with this car, bro. That's number one. And number two, it's just cause it's stock. But number two, I say once it gets up to around like 90, that's when it kind of like falls on his face. Like, it's fast, nigga. This thing is all-wheel drive. Off a dig, this thing is quick as hell, bro. I ain't gonna hold you. But like I said, once it gets about to about 90, you know what I mean? That's when it falls on his face. But like I said, it's cause it's stock. Like, I bet you if this bitch was tuned and had the downpipes and cut the cats off and shit, bro, I bet you this bitch would be fat. This thing would be quick as fuck, bro. I ain't gonna hold you, but you know what I mean? It's stock. It's my mom's car, so you know I can't do nothing to it. But you know what I mean? I feel like I can make that comparison because, you know, I've been inside V8s, you know what I mean? The SRT8, you know what I mean? My next car that y'all still haven't seen, bro. That's another thing. I will talk to y'all about that. My next car, actually, never mind. I take that back. This video ain't about my next car. But my next car is coming soon. I'll show y'all. That taking delivery is going to come soon. That video is going to be harder than this one. I ain't going to hold you. But, all right, y'all. Like I say, you know what I mean? I'm just kind of bored, sitting at home, figured I'd make a video. I asked them, they was cool with it, you know what I mean? I wish these was blue, but these is cool as hell. I wonder if y'all can see that. That shit bright as hell. Hell yeah, look at that shit. That shit is cool as fuck. But, you know what I mean? That's the AMG. Hey, get out. This is the motherfucking AMG. Alright, y'all. This is probably gonna be the end of this video. Like I said, you know, I just figured I'd make a video on the AMG. Hope y'all enjoyed. My next car will be coming soon. Like I said, you know, y'all know I sold the Charger. I have the next car. It ain't like I don't have it, bro. I have it. I've had it for like 2 months now. I ain't gonna hold you, but you know what I mean? It's coming, y'all. Like I said, y'all ain't here to hear that, but alright. That's gonna be the end of this one. Appreciate y'all if y'all tuned in. Hope y'all enjoyed. You know, like, comment, subscribe, you know, all that good stuff. And we'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.